Iran's military might continues to keep the world guessing. No one truly knows the full extent of its arsenal, and the latest strikes on Israel has proven just how dangerous the uncertainty can be. According to the US, Iran has the largest ballistic missile inventory in the Middle East. From drones to cluster bombs and Fatah missiles, Iran is bleeding Israel with a highly capable range of weapons. On June 19th, Iran launched a missile strike against Israel. But what followed was a stunning revelation. The missile released 20 submunitions that detonated across a wide radius, a signature effect only possible with one weapon, the cluster bomb. The Israel Defense Force confirmed that at least one projectile in the missile barrage carried a cluster bomb warhead. For the first time since the conflict began, Iran deployed cluster munitions against Israel. A cluster bomb is unlike a regular missile. First used during World War II, these weapons were designed to destroy multiple military targets spread across a wide area. A cluster munition is an explosive device that releases smaller submunitions during flight. While traditional missiles are typically guided and detonate upon impact with a specific target, cluster bombs are unguided. They open mid-air, scattering smaller bombs over a broad zone, often threatening civilian areas. Iran possesses a diverse range of aerial weaponry, and the latest addition to its arsenal is the cluster bomb. Although the individual submunitions in a cluster bomb carry less explosive power than a traditional missile, their ability to strike multiple targets at once makes them particularly dangerous. An even more alarming concern is that not all submunitions detonate on impact, but there are some submunitions that do not explode on impact. These unexploded bombs are a serious threat to civilians who may unknowingly come into contact with them. Iran unleashed its hypersonic missile fury by launching Fatah-1 missiles towards Israel. These advanced weapons can pierce through Israel's top-tier air defense systems, including the Iron Dome and Arrow. Nicknamed the Israel Strikers, Fateh missiles are renowned for their blistering speed, pinpoint precision, and unique ability to alter their flight path mid-air. This unpredictability makes them incredibly difficult to intercept, leaving targets with little to no warning. Flying at over 5 times the speed of sound, Fatah missiles are capable of causing mass devastation. The even more alarming fact is that they can be equipped with nuclear warheads, raising serious global security concerns. Another missile drawing significant attention is Iran's Hajj Qassam, a medium-range ballistic missile. This missile is engineered to evade Israel's Iron Dome and even US's THAAD defense system. Iran claimed to have deployed the Hajj Qassam missile in a recent strike on Israel, reportedly killing at least 10 and injuring nearly 200. With high-precision targeting, this missile can withstand electronic warfare measures, making it one of Iran's most formidable weapons in the conflict. The missile is named after former General Qasem Soleimani, who was assassinated in 2020 on Trump's order. Throughout the Gaza war, Israel has showcased its military strength and advanced war tactics, but now Prime Minister Netanyahu is facing a serious challenge. Although Israel denounced Iran's firepower at first, it is now confronting a growing threat as Iran begins to unveil its own secret arsenal. Armed with some of the region's most advanced weaponry, Iran is launching relentless strikes that are testing Israel's defenses like never before. As the two nations go head-to-head, who will endure the heat and who will surrender?